Hey, what's up you guys? It's Tiffany Jasmine and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be making lasagna. So with the ingredients today that you need, you're going to need ground beef, mild sausage, bell pepper and onion, fresh mushroom, prego, ricotta cheese, lasagna noodles, big egg cheese. Yeah, let's get started right now. So now your vegetables are chopped. We're gonna get started on the meat. So you're gonna start off with your ground beef first. You started with your sausage. You don't want to put all of it in there. You only want to put about like half of it. Then I'm going to add my vegetables. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees while your meat is cooking, so the other things will be ready. You just pop it in and let it bake. Turn your flame down and get to seasoning.
I cannot believe that.
So for your ricotta cheese, you're gonna need the ricotta. You're gonna add your egg, some pepper, so my lasagna is done. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then we will do the taste test.
Oh my god! Wow!
Do our taste test. Pretty good. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's my food. Overall, it's good. I enjoy it. That's the end of my video. Next cooking video, I will most likely try to make my first peach cobbler. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned to my videos. And Tiffany Jasmine is out. Peace.